welcome to this video. This video about the Surds, operations with Surds, and it is quiz. So there are two options how you can use this video. The first, you can download the PDF file under the video using the link, or another option is to just watch the video, press pause, solve first, and then continue to watch to see the answers. Okay, so let's start with part one. There are two parts. First part is a multiple choice questions, 5 questions, and the second part is a matching activity. Okay, so in the first part, it says that we have to find the square root of 121. So it is obviously 11, because 11 squared is equal to 121, and we know that the square root is the opposite operation to the square, to the power. Okay, so let's choose the answer. It is A, 11. Right. Question number two, simplify square root of 24. First we should represent 24 as 4 times 6, then make separate surds. Square root of 4 times square root of 6. Square root of 4 is 2 square root 6. Let's find this answer here. It is B. Answer B. Second B. Okay, question number 3 and 4. Simplify without calculator. Square root of 24 and square root of 150. Okay, so square root of 24 plus square root of 150. We know that the square root of 24 is 2 square root 6. It's taken from the previous example. Yeah, and square root of 150 divisible by 10, and moreover it's divisible by 25. So that's why we can write 25 times 6. Okay, and now let's make 25 is 5, square root of 25 is 5, and then we're just simply adding 2 plus 5, which is 11 square root 6. So this is the simplest form, right? So let's find this answer, 11 square root 6. Here we go. It is B. Okay, question number 3 and 5. Let's start with question number 3. It says that we have to put the number under the square root to have answer on the right hand side as 3 square root 10. Okay, there are two options how we can solve this question. Let me show. Let me show. The first option is saying that square root x times square root of 15 is equal to 3 square root 10. So we can work out with the left hand side. So it is x times 15, or 15x, and 3 square root 10, it is square root of 90. And then let's work out the expressions under the square roots. So it is 15x equals 90, then x is equal to 6. This is the first option. Option number 2, let's work out with the right hand side. So we have square root of something is equal to square root of 15, and we know that the 3 could be represented as square root of 9, and square root of 9 times square root of 10, it is square root of 90. Okay, and now we can divide. Square root of 90 divided by square root of 15, it is square root of 90 times divisible by 15 is square root of 6, and that's why our question mark is 6. So anyway, any approach will give you 6 as the answer. So the answer is D. Number 4, D. Question number 5. It is a theoretical question. It says that several answers might be correct. Tick correct formulas. Square root of AB equals to square root of A times square root of B. Yes, it is true. Square root of A plus B is equal to square root of A plus square root of B. No, never. This is the most common mistake of the students. Never do that. And C, square root of A divided by B is equal to square root of A divided by square root of B. Yes, it is correct. Okay, now next activity, we have to match the following. Match the following. Okay, so in the left side you see the questions, on the right side answers, and we have to connect question with answer, for sure, with corresponding answer. Square root of 4. What's the square root of 4? We know that the square root of 4 is equal to 2. It is obviously 2. And let's find that 2 in our answer. Here we go. Yeah, by the way, let me make it smaller to let you solve by watching the video. So you can press pause and then continue to watch, okay? Okay, now next, question number 2. It is 25 times 25 added to 25. So we can simplify this sum as 25 times 25. So it is 25 squared, and it is equal to simply 25. So then let's find the answer 25. It is J. Yeah, first was L, the second one is J. Number 3, square root of AB. Square root of AB is equal to, as we saw before, square root of A times square root of B. So this is answer of I. 5. So let's find 5 in answers. What's equivalent expression to the 5? And you see that we have A, square root of 25. It is 5, so it is A. Number 6, 25 divided by 5. So we can simply simplify and say that is square root of 5. Okay, square root of 5. Let's find the square root of 5. And here we go, it is N. Answer N for 6. Number 7. So 3 divided by square root of 9. We have to multiply to the square root of 5 to rationalize denominator. So to make our denominator rational, we have to multiply to the same number, square root of 5. So it is 3 square root of 5 divided by 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is simply 5. That is why this is the final answer. And let's find this answer. 3 square root of 5 divided by 5. 3 square root of 5 divided, yes, here we go. It is G, 7G. Now question number 8, it says that A plus B square root of 5 and A plus and minus B square root of 5. What's the connection between them? How we can connect using maybe a word? And yes, it is conjugate. We know that it is satisfies definition of conjugate. So it is conjugate. Conjugate. The answer is E. 8E. Number 9. So the question mark here, it's multiplication, and we see that our denominator is not rational. So this question is a part of rationalizing the denominator. And we see that the second expression, this expression, is a conjugate to the first denominator. That is why, according to the rules of rationalized denominator, we have to also multiply by 4 minus square root of 5 in numerator. So we have to find the answer. Where is this answer? 4 minus square root of 5. 4 minus square root of 5. 4, yes, this is C. 4 minus square root of 5. Yes. And yeah, next one. It is definitely the formula, abridged formula. So 16 minus 5, it is 11. Yeah, here we go, it is K, 10K. And the last one, so you see it is actually continuation, so it's actually part of the solution of the one question. Yeah, so this 11 appears here. Okay, and then the final step, we can reduce the fraction 2, and then 2 square root of 2, 4 minus square root of 5, and then open the brackets to simplify completely. 2 square root of 5. And let's find this answer in the answer options. Yeah, so here we go, it is B part. 8 minus square root of 2 square root 5. Okay, so you see that not all the questions has the answers. I mean, some answers remained without question. It's fine. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Press like, subscribe, and share to the classmates or friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye.